If you're wondering how to start digital marketing over 50, but feel like you're already behind, I want to talk to you for a minute. If you've ever sat in a quiet house and thought, did I miss my chance to build something of my own? I want you to hear this because it might change everything for you. What if the very season you're in right now, the slower, quieter, more reflective season, is actually the perfect time to start something new? Not 10 years ago, not when your kids were little, but right now. Because in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 biggest lies that keep moms, dads, and empty nesters stuck, and why 2026 might actually be the best year you could start an online business. And I promise you, some of these might surprise you. If we haven't met before, my name is Lori. I'm a married empty nester mom of 4 living in Missouri. And I used to be a teacher before I had to step away from my career due to chronic illness. After that, I needed something flexible I could do from home that would work around my health. So I tried a lot of different online income ideas, but most of them took a lot of time and didn't really pay off. So now I'm learning a simpler way to build income from home, and I share everything I'm learning here step by step. Let's start with the one I hear the most. I'm just not good with tech. I used to believe this too. I thought you had to understand coding, funnels, websites, all the complicated stuff. But the truth is, most of the tools that I use today are drag and drop. If you can send an email, if you can click a button, you can do this. That's it. And what surprised me the most is that you don't have to build everything from scratch anymore. There are simple step-by-step systems that are already set up for you. So instead of trying to figure out everything, you're just following a process. For me, that changed everything because I didn't need to become techie. I just needed to be willing to learn one step at a time. If you want to figure this out without feeling lost or confused, subscribe and I'll walk you through it one step at a time. This one stops a lot of people. I don't want to be on camera. I don't want to be on social media all day. I get it. But here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to show your face at all. There are people right now building full online income streams using faceless content, voiceovers, simple text videos. Some don't even use social media the way you might think. There are multiple paths, and honestly, this is something I wish people understood more because the goal isn't to become an influencer. The goal is to build something that works for you, something that fits your life, your comfort level, and your energy. In the program I'm learning from, they actually show you how to build this without having to show your face at all. Here's a quick look inside so you can see what I mean. If you want to follow the same blueprint I'm using, you can grab it below. This one sounds logical, but it's actually backwards. People think there are too many people already doing this. But here's the truth, my friend. No one has your story. No one has your experience. No one has lived your life. And that matters more than you think because people don't connect to information anymore. They connect to people. Your years of raising a family, managing a home, working a career, going through real life challenges, that's your advantage. Younger creators can't speak to this season of life, but you can. And there are so many people right now looking for someone who understands exactly where they are. This is a big one because no one wants to build another full-time job, especially in this season of life. You want more time, not less. And this is where most people get it wrong. They think online business equals hustle. But the smarter approach is building systems, simple systems that work in the background. So instead of trading time for money, you're building something that can run with you, not instead of you. For example, instead of working 8 hours a day, You could work 2 focused hours and let the system handle the rest. That's the shift. It's not about working more, it's about working differently. Let's be honest, there are things online that don't work, so this concern is valid. But digital marketing, affiliate marketing, these are real business models. They've been around for years. The difference is now they're more accessible than ever. But here's the key. This is not get rich quick. It's simple, but it requires consistency. It still requires learning. It still requires showing up. What gave me confidence was seeing real wins inside our 59K plus member community. Not hype, not promises, just real people learning, growing, and getting results over time. So if you've been sitting there thinking, I don't know if I can do this, I want to gently challenge that, because the only thing truly stopping you might be the belief that you can't. And that belief, it's not a fact. It's just something you've repeated long enough to feel true. So here's a simple next step. If you want to see the exact system I'm learning and how this actually works step by step, grab my Freedom Blueprint below and see exactly how this works. You don't have to figure out this alone. And if you're wondering why so many people start and then give up, watch this next video where I break down what really happens in the first 90 days of starting an online business and how to push through it.